Titus, innovation and manufacturing excellence have always gone hand in hand. Based in Europe with over 50 years' experience in cabinet connectors and precision component engineering, Titus has long been at the forefront of assembly technology. Today, that experience powers as a new standard in cabinet assembly. Titusonic, an ultrasonic glueless fastening technology engineered for speed, accuracy and durability. A smarter way to assemble cabinets. Stronger, faster, consistent, every time. Titusonic uses ultrasonic energy to fuse the ends of specialised plastic dowels within cabinet panels. The result is a permanent high-strength bond with a cabinet cycle time of 6 seconds to full cure. No glue, no drying time, no compromise. Designed for modern manufacturing environments, Titusonic delivers repeatable accuracy at scale. With no drying time, cabinets are immediately ready for dispatch. Every cabinet, every join, built to exacting standards. Our customised weld validation software learns every weld and will tailor the program to your specific joint characteristics to improve the joint strength over time. Refusing where necessary for continuously improving consistency in cabinet assembly. Reduced errors, reduced waste. A cleaner, more sustainable process engineered for efficiency and long-term reliability. Our second-generation Titusonic machines can be adapted to any known cabinet designs worldwide. From precision-bonded joins to perfectly aligned panels. Quality is visible at every completed cabinet. Revolutionise your cabinet assembly from small production runs to large-scale commercial projects. Titusonic Cabinet Assembly. Innovation backed by experience. Technology built for manufacturers who demand more. Partner with Titus and experience the benefits of Titusonic assembly processes.